like sinking. Who killed the Kennedys? Perusing journals and picking up all my memories. I was tripping on low stakes and jealousy. Grown now, will my life get any different with the tools I'm on now? Would a young me even listen? I've been in this part of town, and I never should have spoke to you. Done that with you, blowing smoke and goddamn, how when will I ever be the man? Hanging around with people who will never understand. Cause y'all don't know a thing about the places that I've been, or where the fuck I'm going. When the chatter is shallow, oh yeah, 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 yeah. And intentions are hollow, oh yeah, 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 yeah. You're just a day away from glory, and I know just the guy. I'ma call you tomorrow, oh yeah, 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 yeah. I've been thinking all about my tendency for overthinking about dumb shit so heavily. What did he mean when he said especially? Turning simplicity into complexity. Old friend from college running to on the street. How's your brother's daughter? Oh shit, you oughta.
8 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get.
Hey, stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. Stop and stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it as it's daylight now and it's stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best. I know, oh well, but this time will not be the same.
It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get up.
Hell of a time I couldn't see you. Always had my guard up, but now I'm see-through. Thinking we're all alive, why should I need to? Thank you for sticking around, you're always holding it down. Hell of a time I couldn't see you. Always had my guard up, but now I'm see-through. Thinking we're all alive, why should I need to? Thank you for sticking around, you're always holding it down. One day I'll be everything I could be. I know you don't want nothing from me. Just be a good guy, good friend, good son. It's good enough. Hell of a time I couldn't see you. Always had my guard up, but now I'm see-through. Thinking we're all alive, why should I need to? Thank you for sticking around, you're always holding it down. Hell of a time I couldn't see you. Always had my guard up, but now I'm see-through. Thinking always holding it